Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we go on a point of view drive with the new Hyundai Tucson plug-in hybrid, 265 horsepower and 350 newton meters of torque. That's the total output. Of course, combination of petrol and electric motor, phantom black color, lovely dark chrome details, and one cool feature, this car has the special remote park assist. That means it can get out of the parking space without you being in it. So I will now demonstrate you that. That way, if you are close to the car next to you, or you have a tight garage, you can just put it inside without you being in it. So that's really cool, and let me show you that. Alright, now it is activated and I need to just press this button here and the car will go. You see? It is moving. Of course, if it sees an obstacle, it will stop. But this is really convenient, and when you release the button, the car stops. You can also park it that way. So you see, there we go. So once again, very useful in garage or tight parking spots. And that's it. So yeah, very cool. And let me bring it back to us. Okay, that's enough, and we are now ready for a drive. So this is the lovely interior. Let's start the car. Have the digital cockpit with different views and a nice main touchscreen. So the layout in front of us looking gorgeous, and this is the shift-by-wire technology, 6-speed automatic transmission, and we are ready to go. First thing I can show you is the blind spot monitor, which is a very useful feature. This car is really packed with cool and useful and advanced technologies. So not only is it good looking, but also really amazing in terms of what it offers from technical aspects, of course. And yeah, this plug-in hybrid combination of 1.6 liter petrol and electric motor. You can drive it also in the EV mode, but currently we don't have enough battery for that, as I didn't have the chance to charge the car. But we will now go on a drive, starting in the city and then going on highway. So tell me your thoughts. How do you like the design of this thing? And I just realized I haven't shown you the rear, so I will now need to pay the parking. So in that moment I will show you the rear as well. And this is the new infotainment system with a lot of features. I covered that in my full in-depth review, so you can watch that video. In today's video, focus is on the drive itself. This car has a few driving modes. Sport mode, it has the immediate throttle response, and of course in sport mode the petrol engine is doing its thing, where in the eco mode you have a lot of driving on electric power. Okay, so we have the car in the wrong way. What's this? Okay, anyway, chance to see the rear view camera, and also you have the front camera as well. Alright, so just paid for parking but needed to park here, so why not use this opportunity to show you this feature once again. Look at the connected tail lamps, looking very cool indeed. And that's it, that's enough. So let's continue the drive. Alright, we can now depart the garage. Let's talk about the performance. So this car has 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration of 8.6 seconds, top speed 190 kilometers per hour, so really some decent numbers. WLTP all electric range of around 50 kilometers, and once again very nice and smooth drive. We are now on this cobblestones, but it really feels nice. Even though we are on 19-inch wheels, it's still very comfortable indeed. So I can only imagine how it feels on 17 or 18-inch, which are also available for the new Tucson. But I believe that the plug-in hybrid comes with bigger wheels. So. And if you want to change the AC, it's easy to do it. Panel here. Navigation view, day mode, where during the night I showed you the night mode as well. Nice 3D shape of the buildings. And you can also have the split screen if you prefer it, with various information, but I prefer the big navigation screen. And I don't know if you can see it, but the details and the views here are really nice. In front of me, the digital cockpit, you can change the cluster view, but also when you change the driving mode it changes. But of course you can have any view you like on any mode you like. You just need to configure it out. But for now, let's keep this eco view. I think it's quite cool. And well, now a bit of a city drive before we reach the highway, so I won't talk much now. I will come back to you when we reach the highway. And since we have sun, I will just now show you the sun visor, and it's got the extension here which you can use to block the sun from the side. soon we will be on a highway. Now I will show you the blind spot assist. So not only do you have this monitor, you have this, you see it's beeping and flashing the light. So that happens when you put on the indicator and have someone in your blind spot. Okay, then that's it. Sport mode. There we go, 130. You can put it back to eco mode. Now with the cruise control, lane assist, it is really nice and relaxed drive, and this car really makes the highway driving so relaxing, because as I said, with all those features and technology, it's really a nice place to be. As you can see now, it is slowing down because we had a car in front of us, and now we will slow down to 100. Let's actually put the cruise control to 100 kilometers per hour. That's it. And now once again 130, just like that. And look at this, very useful when parking. Cameras all around the car, 360 view. And yeah, well, I think that's pretty much it. Let's actually keep the engine running. So tell me in your comments, how do you like this car? Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more videos to come. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.